Crypto rarely forgives hesitation. By the time most traders finish reading the move, price has shifted, momentum is changed, and the clean entry is gone. That gap between signal and action is exactly where Fagruvil places its whole pitch. The official website is fagruvil.com. That matters up front because trust in this category starts with the right domain. Fagruvil positions itself as an AI-driven crypto trading platform built around execution, not just seeing the market, not just receiving one more signal, but pulling context together fast, stripping out noise, and turning that into an actual trade while the window is still open. That is why the site keeps returning to three ideas: speed, structure, and defense. It talks about round-the-clock market surveillance, adaptive strategy logic, fast order routing, and an environment built for volatility. The message is straightforward. In a market where manual reaction is always late, the advantage belongs to the system that works faster and with more discipline. At the model level, Fagruvil presents itself as one execution layer. Price action, momentum, market mood, technical setups, macro context, and order routing are framed as parts of the same operating process. It is not pitched as a pile of disconnected tools. It is pitched as a trading environment where analysis is pushed directly toward action. The brand also leans on flexibility across timeframes. On the site, Fagruvil is stretched across quick entries, intraday momentum trades, and longer positions, where the key question is no longer seconds, but how a setup develops over time. That gives the platform a broader identity than the usual dashboard and signals story. The strongest part of the pitch is that AI is not treated like decoration. It is built into a more practical chain: observation, filtering, confirmation, execution, protection. That is why the site spends as much time on encryption, cold storage, layered authentication, system monitoring, and reserve protection as it does on signals. Even the public numbers serve that same purpose. The platform points to more than 1 million automated orders, a strong user rating, broad international coverage, and a sizable protection buffer. The image is obvious. Fagruvil wants to look less like a generic crypto interface and more like working infrastructure for fast, stressful markets. In the end, Fagruvil is presented as a serious AI environment for crypto, built around constant surveillance, fast execution, and resilience under volatility. Its strongest angle is not hype. It is the promise of being faster, more structured, and more composed at the exact moment the market turns chaotic.